Mind it. Guys, we just reached and we got in a brief, and I've just set up my gimbal right now, and I'm gonna start up the calibration. So this is gonna take like a 2-minute job. So what you gotta do is take this setup because we didn't take it at the start, and we got to do it today. Otherwise, they're gonna remove it. Today is wedding day. Evander and Mario, they have gone to shoot the Shelwani. So by the time I'll finish the deco and I'll join them in. Also, it's just great to be back vlogging again because I kind of missed it, to be honest, and I really wanted to like start again. The thing being that Alistair kind of like motivated me and kind of boosted me again. Is that because he also started doing vlogging at the same time with me, so at least now I have someone for company purpose, like that okay fine, he's going to be posting when is my vlog coming up next, so it's going to be there, that kind of motivation every day. So yes, let's see how the 300 video challenge goes. It's not a challenge, but that's what we're targeting for the end of December of 2025. Super excited. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully, things go out well. Everything got delayed, so we're just gonna grab lunch. Teams have been divided. One team is with the groom, one team with the bride, and this team over here is going to be doing the setup. But currently it's so hot right now that we're trying to search for water because there's no drinking water at all. So we're heading back to the restaurant to see whether we can get a water bottle or something, because we need to keep yourself hydrated in this kind of heat. Also, as I said last time in the last vlog, that there's a heat wave alert, a yellow alert, which was put out in Goa, and it gets really difficult because of the humidity levels. Start sweating like crazy, get tanned, which I don't want. We just reached to the beach side where the main mandap is, and this is the entry of it, and we have the mandap. It's a beautiful setup done over here on the beach. The only problem is shooting in the hot sun. It's already 2:45 and we have to do deco shots, so it's gonna be so difficult because in camera terms the back part is going to get overexposed. Complicated things in terms of cinema work. So as you can see, the florists are still taking their time when putting up the flowers and stuff. I think they might take roughly another 15-20 minutes to get everything cleaned up. So guys, currently Alice is flying his drone. We finally got a clear setup. I'm also waiting to do my recording stuff because we need to join the Bharat team as well. Guys, the Bharat and all, everything happened.
Bro,
Grabbed a quick drink
camera
and they are on a break right now. And we're going to pack up right now. We're going to meet Charles, and if we are free, then me and Evander would have a table tennis game in the lobby. So let's hope for that. I came into the lobby right now and the boys are here transferring data, and me and Saish are going to have a quick round on the TT table. Evander's with Charles because they're doing up the edit. Another 15-20 minutes and the reel should get done. We're doing an overnight edit reel for the last 3 days. So today is the 4th day. Tomorrow is the 5th day. Tomorrow is the reception. So let's see how things go on. We're going to wait for them, then go grab dinner, and then stay at Evander's place today. Just had an intense game with Saish, and now Mario has joined in. He's doing some skills, and Evander's joined in for pool over here. Shit. Guys, we are heading out for dinner right now, and the only thing is that we don't know where we are going. So let's see what the boys decide, what they want to eat. If they're going to a restaurant or maybe a small Kado, as we call it in Goa. What do you want to eat, bro?
Leg piece, bro. I think I'm fine with anything actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, but leg piece much craving.
Finally, the entire team has reached over here. Oof. Transition. Are you satisfied with the leg piece?
I am 101% satisfied.
So are you happy that you came here? It's good.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Anyway, he didn't want to go to a restaurant, so he's good. He's Gucci. The boys are leaving.
Night, guys.